Hi, I'm Joost from Kids Toy Studio and I'm here with the EBL AA batteries. These EBL AA batteries have 2800 mAh, where most have only 2000 for an extended battery life. Now supposedly they maintain 80% of their capacity even after 3 years of having these lie in the cupboard. Now I haven't tested this, but I have been using them for quite a while without any problem. Now if you have a lot of electric toys like us, you really need a lot of batteries. So we went through a lot of batteries before we bought these rechargeable ones. And getting good rechargeable batteries can mean the difference between charging them once a week instead of once every 2 days. So that's one of the big advantages here of good rechargeable batteries like these. Now we've used these in a lot of different toys. We have toy robots, we have coding robots like coding mice, coding robots like Botley. They all take in a lot of batteries. We have electric drawing toys, and we used to have electric baby toys, which all take in a lot of batteries. So instead of going through batteries and keep buying them, I really recommend you buy these rechargeable batteries with a lot of charge in them and save yourself quite a hassle.